piece, but we're going for speed here. And switch itself is in good shape. Do a quick continuity test here. Come on, computer. Do you? Chopstick hold. Wins again. See? What'd I tell you? Shirt. So let's see how quickly we can run some of these. Just to be clear, what we're trimming here is the bottom part, not the actual switch leads. So this is where the switch actually makes connections. This is not what we're trimming. We are not trimming this. Do not trim those little angled ones. Trim these bottom ones that are perfectly parallel, because we don't need those. We do need these. That, I think. Yeah, that's not bad. Alright, let's see. Indeed, 144,000. So it doesn't look great, and it actually isn't that great that it has these extra mount points. But since the copper trace is only exposed on one side, it's a lot easier to desolder. So, don't worry.
Salvation to our God, which sitteth upon the throne and unto the Lamb. And all the angels stood round about the throne and about the elders and the four beasts, and fell before the throne on their faces and worshipped God, saying, Amen. Blessing and glory and wisdom and thanksgiving and honor and power and might be unto our God forever and ever. Amen. And one of the elders answered, saying unto me,
Nice. Don't. Gonna burn myself. It's gonna happen. And you will see it live. Not live, but, you know, it'll be recorded. You can play it back and be like, heh, repeat, heh, repeat. You can watch it in slow motion, too. If you hit period and comma, the YouTube video will advance in steps. Is this a broken one? No, it's good. Amen. I'm holding it like this because I want to get a little bit lower, because I'm holding it basically sideways.
And when he'd opened the seventh seal, there was silence in heaven for about the space of half an hour. And I saw the seven angels which stood
Alright,
all
let's
along.
this process here. Just to go verbally over what I'm doing here. I'm applying downward pressure to the center point, the center post, and then I'm applying heat. I'm laying the soldering iron down so that it contacts both this point and this point. Once I make that contact, and this is pretty good solder, or rather, I'm guessing it's European solder. It seems to have a lot of lead. It melts pretty easily. So when I hit that contact point and push down right here, I feel the switch fall down a little bit. Once it falls down a little bit, I know that it's only holding on by these two. Then I switch to this side and do it. And once I feel it shift again, if it's tilting to the right, then I know there's something connected on the right. If it's tilting to the left, then I know there's something connected on the left. So it's pretty easy. I just touch the contact points that I think might be holding on. So again, pushing down, a soldering iron is laying down, touching both of these at the same time. It tilts downward. Now we can see that it's holding on by these two. So I'll lay the soldering iron on those two. Out it goes. I heard it hit the table, so we're good. Come on now. There we go. There we go. Oh gosh, hang on. My brilliant idea is going back this way, but since I'm laying it down, my soldering iron is touching these points, which could deform them to the point that they won't fit through this through hole. So I'm going to go back up here and start over here so I'm not damaging. See, I already got this one. Look at that. Nasty. Come on. Be nice. Yeah, that's no good. Still looks okay, though. Probably still work. It just looks like a flash at this point. It can be cleaned up with the nippers. Don't start a fire. Nippers. That PCB mount's gone though. Oh well, wasn't going to use it. But now I'm just inclining this. I could probably stand it up more. That's even better. Yeah, that's much better. Let me get these ones on the end. That way I'll have a little bit more room.
And then we heard seven trumpets. And another angel came and stood at the altar, having a golden censer. And there was given unto him much incense, that he should offer it with the prayers of all saints upon the golden altar which was before the throne. And the smoke of the incense which came with the prayers of the saints
Says it's an LED.
ascended up before God out of the angel's hand. And the angel took the censer, and filled it with fire of the altar, and cast it into the earth. And there were voices, and thunderings, and lightnings, and an earthquake.
It does not.
The angels which had the seven trumpets prepared themselves to sound.
Okay, well I guess that's connected to nothing then. It's just a reflow solder, so it's
Mingled with blood. And they were cast upon the earth.
everything that was exposed got covered with
All
solder.
the trees was burnt up, and all green grass was burnt up. And the second angel sounded,
There's nothing
and
here.
as it were a great mountain burning with fire was cast.
Yeah, there's nothing.
And the third part of the sea became blood. And the third part of the creatures which were in the sea that had life died. And the third part of the ships were destroyed. And the third angel sounded, and there fell a great star from heaven, burning as it were a lamp. And it fell upon the third part of the rivers, and upon the fountains of waters. And then the star is called wormwood. And the third part of the waters became
Wormwood. Chernobyl.
men died of the waters because they were bitter.
There we go.
and the day shall come for a third part of it. The night likewise.
So, it's going actually a lot better than I had expected.
With a loud voice, woe, woe, woe to the inhabitants of the earth, by reason of the other voices of the trumpet of the three angels, which are yet to
Not bad.
sound.
Not bad.
Revelation 9. And the fifth angel sounded, and I saw a star fall from heaven unto the earth, and to him was given the key of the bottomless pit. And he opened the bottomless pit, and there arose a smoke out of the pit, as the smoke of a great furnace, and the sun and the air were
Pretty good harvest.
And they should have had a
Fields are white.
and there was the autumn, like I told you. And the angels said, rise, measure the temple of God and the altar you set and worship therein.
Yes.
The
Measure.
court